Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make homemade lemonade. Real refreshing. Let's get started. Alright, get out of your saucepan. Put in 1 cup of water. And 1 cup of sugar. So you keep stirring those over low heat until the sugar dissolves. Alright, see this nicely dissolved. Now you put this aside while it cools for about half an hour. Then we'll get into the next stage. Okay, so that's nice and cold. Now if you want, you can put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Now get 1 cup of lemon juice. Just mix that through. I get 3 cups of sparkling soda water. Mix that through. Yum. Oh yeah, this is perfect. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for a homemade lemonade. As you can see, ooh, the color is just perfect. Give it a taste. Wow, that is refreshing. Perfect for a hot summer day, for sure. So, thank you guys so much for watching a new recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you on that one day for a new recipe. Peace out.